Okay, this is the P2 paper from January 2024. It's question number 2, and we can see this is a binomial expansion question. Quite a different one, actually, because it only wants the coefficient of the term in x to the 7, which is unusual. Normally it asks me for the first 4 terms or something like that, but let's just have a look at this then. So we've got 3 over 8 plus 4x to the power of 12, and our binomial expansion tells me that a plus b to the power of n is equal to, I don't really need all this, but I'll go through it, a to the n, nc1, and then it's a to the n minus 1b, then it's nc2, a to the n minus 2b squared, and so on, where the a term is losing a power and the b term is gaining a power each time. But also within the binomial expansion, if you look at the formula sheet, it actually tells me that the term in x to the r, or rather the term for b to the r, if we're using these letters, the term in b to the r is going to be ncr a to the n minus r b to the r. So if I want power of 7, I want power of 7 here, then we can go through and just put everything in. So the b is 4x, so it's 4x to the power of 7. The a is 3/8, so it's 3/8 to the 12 minus 7. Yeah, the one thing that we know about these two is that they always add up to be equal to, in this case, 12, don't they? The powers always add up to be equal to 12. And then my constant at the front is just going to be 12c7. So it's going to be 12c7. So that's the term. If you simply work all that out, this is for the term for x to the 7. And work all out what that works out to be. Sticking that all into the calculator works out to be 96,228x to the 7, and then we actually only want the coefficient, don't we? So 96,228. So more than anything, it's just checking that you have looked through that formula booklet properly and you do understand that that is there hidden in the formula booklet somewhere. Okay, hopefully once you've seen that, that makes a lot of sense to you.